This is a story how we go from teeny little baby potato to cooked and smushed potato to air fried beautiful little tater bites. Oh yeah. Just gonna remove some of the yuckier parts. Alright, it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna choose the biggest one, stab it, and it's thin like butter. And these are also going to go into the air fryer, so they are going to cook a little bit more. So these are ready to come out. Come out, my little babies. Now these right now are going to be so good. And boiled potatoes are one of the most satiating foods, especially according to this one study, which is linked in the description. Guess what? I got more taters. These are cleaned. Ooh. Safety, probably go away from you, not towards you, but whatever. They're gonna be very hot, so please be very careful. Probably just wanna let them cool and just chill out for a second. So the problem is when you smash them when they're too hot, they just tend to kind of completely fall apart. And we want them to somewhat retain their shape, like that guy. It's been about 5 minutes that they've been cooling down. Now, if they're just about to fall apart, don't worry about it, just leave them. Alrighty, well, there are our taters. And now you can oil them if you would like, if you want them more crispy and all that good stuff, but that's so not necessary. We will do a little experiment. Rub a little oil on these guys. Let's see what kind of a difference that makes. Oil version compared to no oil version. Very little difference. We've got some crispiness here. Ooh, hot. Tastes good. But you know, we've also got some crispiness in here. Oh yeah. Flavor-wise? Dude. Flavor-wise, it is exactly the same. Potato, 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 potato. So, if you want to save yourself a couple hundred calories at a time, plus something that is 100% fat, and not that I'm anti-fat, we need fat. Of course, it's a macronutrient. Fat is our friend. It is responsible for so many vital functions in our bodies, but most of us get a lot of fat, probably too much, and it's hindering our weight loss journey. So, at home, when you can control your food, let's just go with this version. Because this is so low fat. It's literally 1% fat. This has become much more than that, only because there's been a tiny bit of oil added. But you'll see the end result is almost identical. It's almost identical. And it's just such a beautiful food. Why are they so good? Why? Okay, let's dress these babies. So this is from Costco. Let's just douse it on. I'm also gonna add in some dried Italian seasoning because the combo is delightful. This is the best mustard ever. Yes. Yum. Oiled versus not oiled.